YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. And today, we'll be customizing a hoodie with Siser glitter. All that and more after the intro. So what I have in front of me is a tripod. I kind of prematurely unboxed it. I took it out of the box, set it up for the first time. I had asked in my last video if you guys wanted content on the unboxing of this GoPro 8. Looks like a pretty slick camera. Is it the same quality or is it better quality than the iPhone 11 or the Samsung Plus? I don't know. We're getting ready to find out. With this focus stand, there's a few components that come with it. It's actually like a top screw. I'm trying to hold it in my hand. Looks like a cell phone clip or maybe a camera clip, depending on how big it is. And then a GoPro clip or another clip for cameras. And this, once again, this came from Walmart. It's the focus. But I didn't prematurely open up the GoPro Hero 8. We're getting ready to open that up now. So I guess it has a pull tab at the bottom. And I'm geeked, y'all. This is the first time I get to take it out the box. I hadn't had it for a couple days. That look pretty professional. So it comes in this little box, and I guess all the components to the GoPro Hero 8 is inside of this box. And I'm getting ready to open it up. See what's inside. Okay. Pamphlet. How to download their app. If you have any questions. Actual stickers. Hey! Hey, yo. Y'all know I love stickers. This is going on the laptop as soon as I get the chance. Instruction book. What looks to be like the battery. That is a small battery. This must be the mounting clip that goes under it. I don't know, I'm gonna have to read them instructions. And a charger cable. It's actually a C port. Okay, so y'all see what I see. It's kind of like super glued on top, so I'm gonna have to figure this out, and I'm gonna do that off camera because I don't want to tear up this expensive camera. To put the GoPro itself onto the tripod stand. However, y'all, I'm having some technical difficulties. I ain't gonna lie. My daughter and I have been up here for about a good 5 minutes trying to figure out how to put this little thing on here. And they have like so many different components. If you can see that right in there, that hex screw has to go in there perfectly in order to lock. So you can then mount it on top of here. However, I don't have enough time for that right now. I'm gonna have to get into the actual tutorial of the glitter on the sweatshirt. So as far as the unboxing goes, I showed you guys what was all inside the GoPro Hero 8. And let's get into this vinyl. So this is what we're pressing onto the sweatshirt in Siser glitter. And if you like this, hit them affiliate links down below. I got this from Heat Transfer Warehouse. I have an affiliate link down below, and they got tons and tons of varieties. But we're going to press this onto the shirt, and the saying is, we don't grind the same, so we don't shine the same. Which really is, I mean, it's worth every word that is spoke on this sweater, or shirt, I should say. Let's get to pressing. So we're gonna press this Siser Easy Weed. I don't know why I keep saying Easy Weed. It's stuck in my mind, y'all. We're gonna press this Siser glitter at 320 for 15 seconds at light pressure. Light but firm, if that makes some sense, because it's a thick hoodie. And this is a warm peel. Here we go. We don't grind the same, so we don't shine the same. Hey, yo. You know what time it is. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, comment, like. What up, squad? Gotta say it again. Until the next one, y'all, I'm out. Hey, yo. Join Squad today on Facebook. I'm trying to figure it out for Instagram. But basically, if you want tips and tricks and knowledge for your custom apparel business, this is the place to be. Join Squad today.